Refrigeration. Not all foods thrive in the chilly corners. Not all foods benefit from the cold confines of a refrigerator. In fact, some can lose flavor, texture, and nutritional value when stored in the cold. By understanding the ideal storage conditions for different foods, you can ensure they retain their maximum quality and taste. Let's dive into 10 foods that should not be refrigerated. 1. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are best kept at room temperature. Cold temperatures can make tomatoes lose their natural sweetness, turning them bland. Additionally, refrigeration alters the texture, making them mealy. The cold disrupts the enzymes responsible for their taste, resulting in less vibrant flavors. Since tomatoes are tropical fruits, cold storage hampers their ripening process, preventing them from reaching their full flavor potential. For optimal taste, store tomatoes on the counter or in a fruit bowl, stem side down. If they're already ripe and you're not ready to use them, refrigeration is okay, but bring them back to room temperature before eating. 2. Onions. Onions should not be refrigerated because the moisture in the fridge can make them mushy and promote mold growth. Cold temperatures alter their texture and taste, converting starches to sugars, which can make onions overly sweet and less versatile in cooking. Refrigeration can also cause onions to absorb odors from other foods, leading to unwanted flavors. Additionally, onions stored in the fridge may sprout more quickly. If you've cut an onion, store the leftovers in an airtight container to prevent odor absorption. 3. Garlic. Garlic should be kept out of the fridge to avoid sprouting and mold growth. Cold temperatures can turn garlic's natural sugars into starches, reducing its flavor and aromatic qualities. Excess moisture from refrigeration can lead to rubbery or moldy cloves. Garlic's porous skin can also absorb unwanted odors, compromising its taste. Store garlic in a cool, dry place with good ventilation, ideally around 60-65 degrees Fahrenheit, 15-18 degrees Celsius. 4. Potatoes. Refrigerating potatoes converts their starch into sugar, affecting both taste and texture. Cold temperatures can also lead to the development of acrylamide, a potential carcinogen, when potatoes are cooked at high temperatures. Potatoes are best stored in a cool, dark place to maintain their natural flavor and reduce moisture that can lead to bacterial growth. The cold air of the refrigerator can negatively impact the enzymes in potatoes, leading to a gritty texture. 5. Avocados. Avocados should not be refrigerated until they are ripe. Cold temperatures slow down the ripening process, leading to hard, unripe avocados. Refrigeration can also dull their flavor and alter their texture. Keeping avocados at room temperature allows them to ripen naturally. If you have ripe avocados and need to slow down further ripening, you can refrigerate them but use them within a few days for the best taste. 6. Bananas. Bananas are tropical fruits that prefer room temperature. Refrigeration causes the cell walls to break down, turning the skin brown and affecting the texture. Cold temperatures can interrupt the ripening process, leading to uneven ripeness and diminished sweetness. Bananas are also sensitive to ethylene, which can cause uneven ripening in the fridge. Store bananas at room temperature to maintain their natural sweetness and texture. 7. Bread. Refrigerating bread is counterproductive. Cold temperatures speed up the staling process, making the bread dry and tough. Moisture in the fridge can also make the bread soggy. The fridge also causes bread to absorb odors, which can affect its taste. For longer storage, freezing bread is a better option. Freeze slices in a sealed bag and thaw at room temperature when needed to preserve freshness and texture. 8. Honey. Refrigeration can cause honey to crystallize faster, altering its texture and making it gritty. Honey should be stored at room temperature to preserve its smooth consistency. Honey's low pH creates an acidic environment that naturally prevents bacterial growth, eliminating the need for refrigeration. Cold honey is also thicker and less convenient for use. Keep honey in a cool, dry place to maintain its quality. 9. Uncut melons. Uncut melons are best stored at room temperature. Refrigeration can dull their flavor and sweetness, and alter their texture, making them mushy. The cold can also impact the nutritional content, potentially reducing antioxidants and vitamins. The thicker rind of uncut melons protects the fruit from contaminants, making refrigeration unnecessary. Store melons in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. 10. Olive oil. Refrigerating olive oil is unnecessary and can compromise its quality. Cold temperatures cause olive oil to solidify and become cloudy, though this is reversible when it returns to room temperature. Refrigeration can also introduce condensation, which fosters bacteria and mold growth. Store olive oil in a cool, dark place to maintain its quality and prevent spoilage. Understanding the right environment for each food item ensures they retain their best flavor and nutritional value. From tomatoes on the countertop to honey in the pantry, proper storage enhances your food's quality. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button, comment and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching. Your wellness is our priority.